With every great breakthrough comes massive opportunity. It's a universal truth, and the bigger the breakthrough, the more massive the opportunity. You've just learned about ASEA, the world's first and only redox signaling supplement, called by a number of scientists and medical professionals the single greatest health science breakthrough of our lifetime. If ASEA is a breakthrough of that magnitude, just how big is the opportunity? And what does that opportunity mean for you? But first, an even more important question: how do you recognize a genuine opportunity? If you were going to invest money, time, or effort in a company, what would you look for? Most business experts will tell you to look for DSA, differentiated sustainable advantage. Look for a product that is different, that has few competitors, or better yet, no competitors. Make sure that difference is sustainable. You don't want copycats coming along and stealing your market share, so make certain the company can protect and sustain that difference. And finally, all the sustainable difference in the world won't do you any good unless it provides a true advantage to the consumer. Differentiated, sustainable advantage. The key to identifying a tremendous business opportunity. So, how does ASEA stack up? ASEA is different, representing an entirely new frontier of science. It's beyond cutting edge. No one has ever even conceived of this before. ASEA's difference is sustainable, protected so heavily by patents that no one will be able to copy it. This is one product that won't be showing up on discount shelves at your local big box retailer. And does ASEA represent an advantage to consumers? Consider this: ASEA is the only product in the world that replenishes native redox signaling molecules, molecules that everyone needs to enhance health at a cellular level. People notice results right away, creating an incredibly high percentage of repeat customers. ASEA's differentiated sustainable advantage represents an entrepreneur's dream, and that dream is only made better by the experienced visionary leadership at the head of the company. Vertus Norton and James Pack enjoyed tremendous success in the business world before retiring from corporate life. Vertus was the Vice President of Strategy for Kraft Foods, a Fortune 100 company. James was so successful running his own telecommunications company that he retired while in his 40s. These two highly successful businessmen had the vision and foresight to acquire the technology that would eventually become ASEA. And once they perfected the product, they looked for the ideal way to share it with the world.
When we finally determined how ASEA worked and what it did, we were confronted with a decision that we had to make. We said, you know, we could potentially make this into a network marketing product. We stabilized the product, we can put it in a bottle. We don't know if that's the right way to take this product.
We were giving the product to people to try, to see if they would take the product. We went through a lot of what we call focus groups to see if people would actually take this regardless if they liked the taste or didn't like the taste, or if it helped them, or how quick it helped them.
After 2.5 months, we decided to go out and do an assessment of the 40 people that we had given the product to. And when we went out to do an inventory, we found out that the 40 people had turned into 135 people. And not only that, the product had gone to 20 different countries. When people found out what it was doing for them, they didn't hesitate to shoot it off to foreign countries, wherever they happen to be, Egypt and South America and Europe, and then come back and say, I just need more product.
And as we gave the product to different people, we found that it really increased their quality of life, people that were seriously challenged.
Why would two seasoned, experienced men from the traditional business world choose network marketing to take ASEA to the world? Because they understood what more and more business luminaries are preaching. Network marketing is a powerful sales channel with a proven track record of success. Network marketing rewards people who may not have extra money to invest in an opportunity, but do have time, credibility, and influence. And with network marketing, the investment of time, credibility, and influence pays you back in cash. You see, this opportunity is all about sharing the ASEA breakthrough with others and helping them have a business of their own. J. Paul Getty said that the worst possible way to make money is to do it by yourself. You will always need others if you want to build lasting wealth. Whether you start your own company from scratch, buy a pricey franchise, or smartest of all, begin your own ASEA business. Network marketing is a people business. Franchises do it with key locations. We do it with key people. Network marketing is nothing more than a group of people who accomplish something together that they can't do by themselves. And what do they accomplish? Think about this. Since the mid-90s, there has been one industry, only one, that has produced more than 200,000 millionaires. It's not Hollywood, it's not professional sports, it's not even law or medicine. It's network marketing. That's the power of this industry. ASEA's compensation plan is generous, fair, and proven, with 7 ways to earn. You get the immediate benefit of fast profits while also generating long-term residual income.
ASEA creates that level playing field where the average person can come, go to work, learn from experts, and do incredibly well.
The creation of wealth that you might accumulate with this kind of a company is only in direct proportion to how many people you can help. And with ASEA, I think we can help a lot of people.
I need to have a product like ASEA that has a powerful effect on virtually every single person that takes it. And if that happens, that's the key to the vault.
It's a wonderful place to be as an ASEA team member to know we're the ones with the product, we're the only ones with the product.
What's the purpose of being in business? You want to have an advantage and you want to be able to sustain it. You want to be able to have something that's so unique and so impactful that it's going to carry you for not just years, but decades to come. ASEA is the only product I've seen that has anything close to that.
The secret to wealth building with ASEA lies in combining the power of leveraged income with the power of residual income. Leveraged income happens when you help 2 talented, motivated people recognize the massive opportunity that is ASEA. You simply work with them to help their own 2 like-minded people. We call it Teach 2 to Reach 2. This allows you to quickly build a strong network and leverage the efforts of your entire team to build income for you. Residual income happens when the associates and customers in your network purchase ASEA month after month, year after year, bringing you a never-ending stream of income. And with a high-impact consumable product like ASEA, one that gets tremendous results and has no competition, well, imagine the cash flow that you'll generate month after month, year after year, generation to generation. With leveraged and residual income, the ASEA network marketing opportunity offers you a life of control. Control of your financial future. Control of your time. You choose the hours you work, the places you work, even the people you work with. And there are tremendous tax advantages to owning your own ASEA business. If you live in the U.S. and are currently employed, the government incentivizes you to also run a home-based business, allowing you to reduce your taxes by up to $6,000 each year, beginning right now. That means if you're employed but don't also have a home-based business, you might as well wake up every weekday, pull a $20 bill out of your wallet, and throw it away. It only makes sense to take advantage of the ASEA opportunity. When you team with ASEA, you become a true team member. You have access to training, materials, and support that will guide you through every step as you build a solid and successful ASEA business. The ASEA opportunity makes sense from every perspective. A high-impact, consumable product with no competitors. Differentiated, sustainable advantage. A fair and generous compensation plan offering leveraged and residual income. Superior training and support. And as ASEA enters what business experts call the momentum window, the timing could not be better. But there's another powerful reason to team with ASEA. The product changes lives. With ASEA, the outcome is not just income, it's also become. Our associates have the opportunity to make a living while making a difference.
Recently, my son asked me to come down and join he and his family, and we went to a church gathering. And there was something going on he wanted us to be a part of. And while we were there, a young lady came up, and he introduced me to this young lady, and she broke down and started sobbing. And she had a health challenge in her family that was really severe, and she was introduced to ASEA. And because of what ASEA did, she was just grateful. So I find it hard to talk about, but that's a reason.
ASEA changes lives. Imagine what it can do for you and your family. So where do you see yourself? We have many ways to get started. You can help yourself with better health by becoming a preferred customer. You can help others and earn extra income by becoming a business builder. Or you can help many and enjoy financial freedom through leveraged and residual income by becoming an ASEA wealth builder. There is nothing better than making a living while making a difference. Which ASEA option is right for you?